Hey, John Lee, window cleaning wagon. Some brand new tools from windowcleaner.com. Today I'm going to introduce to you a new trad pole, or traditional window cleaning pole. This is the Takumi. Comes to you from Moerman. Sort of unique characteristics about it is it's super short. I'm sitting down now. I think it's 53 inches, so with tip. With me sitting down, it comes, up to this height, to give you a little idea. It actually extends out to 8 feet. So it basically goes from 43 inches, 43 inches, out to 2 feet. One other thing that's unique about this pole is it's, I think, what we would call egg-shaped. It's not really round like most traditional window cleaning poles. It actually has, if you can see this or not, it actually has a flat surface on the bottom. It's really just flat. So I would call that more of an egg shape or oval, I guess might be a definition. The other thing that's different about this pole is the clamps. I don't know if a lot of you probably have used sometime in the past painter poles. There's a line of painter poles that were at one time pretty popular with window cleaners because they have this type of clamp system. It basically is a push button. You extend the pole out and it has locking holes here. So there's a snap in here and it locks in. This particular one has 5 holes on the bottom section. Also has 5 holes on the top. So you got 10, actually total of 10 different telescopic positions you can place the pole in. It does come with the Moerman tip, which you're all familiar with. It has the locking mechanism where the Moerman tools will click on, lock into place. Let's talk a little bit about the tip. Brought some other squeegees just to show you what particular types of squeegees you can use with this. Of course, the Moerman tools, this is the accelerator, will actually go on and lock into place. You can see it has a little tip in here that pops out so that it locks in place. And of course it has a release. See that it has a release button. So really the only tool that actually locks on this is this one. But what's interesting, this is the Unger Ninja, which is a very popular squeegee. It actually fits on here. All I'm going to do is push down a little bit. And it's super firm. I can't spin it. It's not going to pull off. It locks in really good with just what is known as friction fit, which is what we used in the industry for years until they started adding these locking mechanisms. But that fits really well. I have the Zorbo. Same thing. I just barely pushed and turned a little bit. It's on there really tight. It's not spinning, good and tight. This particular tip has concave grooves all the way around, so that's creating friction when you slip on any of these handles, and it holds it on really well. I would feel comfortable using any of these squeegees on here. It's a really good fit. The other thing is, if there is a particular squeegee that you use that doesn't fit on this, it has the acne thread, so you can use the wood cone tip. So I give you a cone apparatus on the top. So any window cleaning tools will fit on a cone shape apparatus. So you can slip it in here. So overall, if you decide to go with this pole, you can use other tools that you already own besides the Moerman. And you also can have any kind of tools that have female acne threads. You can screw on the top of here. This tip does not come off. It's not a removable tip. It's on there permanent. So, at least I think it is. Yeah, well, I could be wrong. Let's see. No, I think it's pretty much on there. That tip, it may lock in. There are snaps on either side, but it's not very convenient. So this tip may come off, but I don't know why you'd want to take it off. But there you go. The Takumi Moerman pole, really nice pole, really short, tight spaces, be easy to work with. Again, John Lee, Westy Window Wagon. Contact me direct here. You can DM me here on this YouTube. You can also call me at windowcleaner.com. Have them transfer the line over to me, or my direct number, 865-310-0728. Again, 865-310-0728. Call or text anytime if you have any questions or would like to order one of these new Moerman Takumi poles. Again, thank you for joining me in the Westy Window Wagon. We've got lots of more new tools coming to you. Just subscribe below and I'll keep them coming.